accident, pretty good.
Man, can you step out of the vehicle, please? Go put your hands on the front of the hood of the car. Okay, ma'am, can I see your license registration, please? Ma'am, where are you going? Stop!
What you gonna do?
Freeze!
Yes, I need to report a stolen vehicle.
Ladies and gentlemen, are both sides ready?
Ready for the people, Your Honor.
Ready for the people, Your Honor.
Will the clerk please swear in the jury?
Your Honor, and ladies and gentlemen of the jury, the defendant has been charged with the crime of driving or taking a car belonging to someone else without the permission of the owner. The next day, the defendant was arrested from fleeing the stolen vehicle. The evidence I present will prove to you that the defendant is guilty as charged. The prosecution may call its first witness, Zoe Anderson.
This isn't allowed, Your Honor. According to the Fifth Amendment, I do not have to be a witness against myself.
Overruled.
This is cruel punishment right now, getting hit in the face, and according to habeas corpus, this isn't allowed. Your Honor!
I'll allow it.
Did you or did you not have permission from the owner to take the car?
I did not, but I would like to say something if you would allow me.
I'll allow it.
I was not read my Miranda rights, and according to the Constitution, I should not be accused of anything.
Is this true, Officer Myers?
Yes, sir.
Do you even know your Miranda rights?
Yes, sir.
Can you repeat them for me?
You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to be an attorney.
Did you just say you have the right to be an attorney?
I mean, everyone does have the right to be an attorney.
According to the Fourth Amendment, it states that the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated. At the scene of the crime, he searched my car and didn't have any probable cause until reading my registration, so that should be unconstitutional and I should not be accused of any crime. So, according to the Fifth Amendment, it states, no person shall be a witness against themselves. In this courtroom, they put me as a witness against myself, which is against my rights. In addition, according to the Sixth Amendment, the defendant also has the right to be presented by an attorney at every stage in the criminal process. In this court case, I was not presented an attorney at any point. According to the Eighth Amendment, no cruel and unusual punishment can be inflicted. In this court case, I was faced with unusual punishment by being hit by this pillow whenever I spoke by the police officer. And there was no bill of attainder that inflicts punishment without a court trial, so this hitting should not be allowed either. Your Honor.
But I thought there was a bill of attainder in force allowing punishment without trial.
There was no bill of attainder in force, and we are in a court now, so that is not true. Also, at the scene of the crime, the officer was unaware that the car was even stolen until he searched the car illegally and asked for the registration. So I should not have been accused of anything to begin with. Lastly, I was punished before a conclusion was made, and the law was just passed today that the punishment for stealing a car is 1 year of imprisonment. So according to the ex post facto law, I should not be sentenced to 1 year of imprisonment. Additionally, according to habeas corpus, it is intended to prevent unjust arrests and imprisonments, and it commands that the prisoner be brought to the court and that the officer must explain with a good reason why the prisoner should not be released. But the officer had no good reason for this.
This works to the disadvantage of the accused because she just admitted to stealing the car.
Does the prosecutor have anything else to say?
Due to the evidence provided, I believe the defendant is guilty.
Court will proceed after the jury comes to a decision.
Wasn't me.
She even caught me on camera.
No, wasn't me.
She saw the marks on my shoulder.
Wasn't me.